Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad and I am online Urdu teacher. I teach English speaking students, both children and adults, how to read, write and speak Urdu in a fun and easy way. In my classes, you will start with the Urdu alphabets, learn to make simple words and sentences, and gradually build confidence in speaking. I use interactive methods, stories, and everyday conversations so that learning feels natural and enjoyable. Whether you are learning for travel, family, culture, or just for fun, I'll guide you step by step with patience and care. So, if you want to learn Urdu in a simple and enjoyable way, please contact me on my WhatsApp. Inshallah, we will learn together. अगर आप उर्दू सीखना चाहते हैं तो मुझसे व्हाट्सएप पर राब्ता करें। शुक्रिया, थैंक यू।